Okay, a real brief couple things about the greatest discoveries in genetics. So if you guys open this up, it's going to take you to a very short little prompt here where it tells you to watch a video hosted by Bill Nye. So if we actually click on that video site, it's going to take you to a YouTube link. I don't really want this to play, but as you watch this, and the video itself is about 45 minutes long. But as you watch it, you're going to notice that along the bottom, I want to find one here so I can show it to you. Along the bottom, a little banner will show up, and there will be a little tone that comes too. And the little tone indicates that there is a new discovery that they are going to talk about. So you'll hear this little tone, and then it will come up with 100 greatest discoveries. So this would be a new greatest discovery that they are discussing. Genes are located on chromosomes. Now, there are 10 of these. I don't care which one of the 10 that you pick. You could do the first one, you could do the last one. It does not matter to me, but you're choosing one of those 10, okay? So you might want to jot down a couple. And then when you choose one of the 10, you're going to go to Science Daily. And over here in the search bar, you're going to search that particular greatest discovery. So if the one that you pick is genes are located on chromosomes, you type that here, genes located on chromosomes. You hit enter. Science Daily will give you a whole bunch of different stuff. Now, the first few things that you're going to see are going to be ads. Don't click on the ads. It's going to take you out of Science Daily. As you scroll down, you'll see some articles that deal specifically with whatever your particular greatest discovery is. You're going to pick one that seems interesting to you, and then you'll read through it, and then you're going to give me a summary that specifically talks about these points. Okay, what surprised you the most? What impacts does it have for society? And what further questions do you have about this article? Okay, it's pretty cut and dry, but there are just a couple of those little pieces that I wanted to make sure I talked about with you guys.